The brand sent me their Octa Magnetic Shape-Shifting Cube, and after using it for a while, here's what makes it stand out. If you're looking for something that's part fidget tool, part brain teaser, and great for hands-on focus, the Shashibo Octa is a super creative option. It's packed with 36 rare earth magnets, allowing it to transform into over 70 different shapes. From geometric patterns to sculptural forms you wouldn't expect from a single cube. This is the Atlantis edition, which features bold, detailed artwork with a color-shifting, almost holographic vibe. It's lightweight, quiet, and satisfying to manipulate. And if you have other Shashibo cubes, you can actually connect them together to create even larger structures. It's not just a fun distraction, it's a way to engage your mind, encourage creativity, and calm restless energy. Whether you use it for stress relief, focus, or just something cool to keep on your desk, the Shashibo Octa offers endless ways to explore and enjoy.